Hi mga ka-tropics! If you're looking for an accommodation na sulit sa price sa Boracay, Astoria Current at Station 3 is one for you. Deluxe poolside view yung room na nabook namin. Modern aesthetic and sobrang ganda talaga dito. Also, sobrang attentive ng mga staff nila at hospitable. Dalawa rin yung pools dito sa hotel nila. Sobrang daming pwedeng picturean and videohan, as in sobrang aesthetic talaga niya. Marami din silang amenities and one of which is meron din silang gym which I wasn't able to take a picture of. They also offer breakfast, lunch, and dinner buffet na sobrang sarap ng pagkain. Ito naman yung isang pool nila, malapit to sa bar and pwede kayong mag-chill dito while having some drinks. Beachfront hotel din siya and sobrang daming kainan beside this place. Marami ding activities dito and one of which is this fire dance. Gabi-gabi meron sila nito for their guests. And ito naman yung view ng pools nila at night. As I have mentioned earlier, sobrang ganda talaga dito. Malinis and sobrang aesthetic talaga ng place nila. I highly recommend this space kasi sobrang sulit siya sa price. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more travel and food recommendations.